Nutty banana?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Would you like to topping?
No,
Would you like to drink?
no.
Thank you.
Just ice cream. Thanks. Thank you. Ching, 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 ching. Somebody there? Hey, listen guys, I just wanted to say a few words regarding your donations. Many of you are buying super thanks and making subscriptions, and I want to say thank you, really thank you. You're helping me out a lot. I know it's a very generous gesture from you. Especially I want to say thank you to the guy that sent me $50 US recently. And yeah, I just found out that YouTube is deducting a lot of money from it, from all your donations. YouTube is taking almost 50%, or a little less. So from the $50 US that my subscribers send me, I will receive 28. And if that guy would have bought that stuff from Apple device, it would deduct another 10%. So that's a horrible ripoff, I would say. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put some information for you in my description for for PayPal probably. So yeah, if you would like to make any donations, or if you would like to support the channel, say thank you, or you have any other things you would like to do, and maybe you want to feed some homeless people or some dogs, I can arrange that. So yeah, I'm always there to help. So it's probably better if we do it via PayPal, so I receive 100% of the money. Yeah, that's it. Friday in Hua Hin. Isn't it beautiful? No sun today, but feels great. A little cooler, it's cooling down. It feels like the rainy season right now. Yeah. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. Again, guys, thank you very much for your support. What's his name, Saudi Cup? What is his name? Thung Thong. Oh, you bring him out so he can walk and look. Oh, he's very, very interested. You speak? Oh. So nice. And he has a little fan over there. That's so nice that you check out your bird. Hi.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
He speaks, huh? He's talking, wow. What is this? Is this George Floyd? So that's actually the place I order my fish from. Maha Arroy restaurant, Thai food. Some foreigners here. And it's soy 102, soy 102. see, that's how they're gonna prepare your fish. There's the kitchen, all open, you can see inside. A lot of places. In the evening it's usually quite full, so quite popular. And right over there, there's this my Orthodox church. It's funny, so I got my fish, and I expected it to be 170 baht, and suddenly the bill is just 100. And I say, no, this can't be. This is always 170. And today they're having birthday for the restaurant. Like the restaurant is 10 years old now, and yeah, so the fish is just 100 baht. Wow, so nice. Okay, today I have a vegetarian fresh bowl. Let's see how that looks. Some tofu. Yeah, looks not bad. I think the other one looked better. Brown rice, of course, because help. What is that? Is that a hair? No. Looks like ginger or something. This ATM next to the 7-Eleven here, it's just a mess. Every second time there's fucking problems. Sorry, no receipt available. Would you like to continue the transaction? Yes. Sorry, no receipt available. It's the one next to the Bangkok hospital. Always some problems. Don't come here to pick up money, seriously.
ตอนนี้นะครับเหลือเวลาอีก2 นาทีนะครับ
จากคณะกรรมการนะคะก็จะขออนุญาตท่านคณะกรรมการมอบเลยวันนี้นะคะตอนนี้เลยนะคะนะคะก็เดี๋ยวรับได้จากท่านคณะกรรมการด้านข้างเวทีนะคะเป็นรางวัลพิเศษเป็นเงินสดนะคะมูลค่า 1,000 บาทค่ะสำหรับรางวัลพิเศษในการแข่งขันบาริสต้าในวันนี้ค่ะได้แก่มหาวิทยาลัยกรุงเทพธนบุรีค่ะนางสาวนันแนวนะคะ
I have no idea what's going on. No idea. Check out my shoes. Digiwalks. So, and now Digiwalks is looking for new shoes. Papa needs new shoes. Okay. Red looks good.
At least 46. Try.
It's 46? Okay, I try. I try just to see if it's 46. Yeah. Okay. One is enough. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Yeah, looks like 46. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. What colors do you have again? You said.
Red, gray,
Okay.
yeah. And yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Can I see yellow? I think yellow looks nice. Yellow, blue? Yeah, I take this one. Good. Okay. Whew. Okay, I wore them for 4 months. I think I can say that was a success. Thank you. Whoops.
I have a pack.
No, it's okay. I will throw them away. I throw them. Oh. Yeah, sure. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. 246 baht for the shoes. Yeah, looks way better.